Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point? So what you need to do is you can decide to use the main floor, or you can decide to use a pavement to do this. So you need to put your shoe, either if you are using the pavement like what I'm using, you can put your shoe on it. Just you use your hand to lift it forward. Understand? Just like what you see me do like this. You don't even need to record your full body to do, just your hand. So you keep on moving it bit by bit, step by step. Then it will be as if the shoe is working when we are done with this. So guys, please take note, you need to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified whenever we drop another amazing tutorials like this. Don't fail to hit the bell button, the bell icon. Understand? Turn it on. You get my point? So guys, after all this, you can now save the video to your gallery and then head over to Capcut. So on Capcut, click on new project. You get my point? Now import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So I noticed I recorded an empty background and I need to split and delete some parts because I don't want them to be included in the video. So I will have to tap on this layer right here. I will tap on the main layer, this particular video layer. Now I will click on split, then I will delete the beginning. Take note, we don't even need an empty background for this, so I will delete the beginning. This is how I want the video to start. Understand? Now this video is all about splitting and deleting. Understand? The main work you need to do here is about splitting and deleting, so you need to pay attention so you will understand it. It is very simple though. So immediately I shifted the shoe forward and took my hands off the shoe. You get my point? That's where you have to split. You come back to the beginning of the video. Before your hand touches the shoe, that is when you have to split also. So you split and delete this middle, delete it. So it will be something like this. So now you allow the video to play a bit, then you split again. Just click on the layer, then split again. Now this one will show you when your hand will be going there to lift the shoe, to be shifting it forward. So immediately your hand shifted a bit forward and lifts the shoe. You split again, then come back and delete this one. I don't know if you understand the steps. So guys, that's how you're gonna be doing it till you get to the last step of your shoes. You get my point? And also, if you wish to create a YouTube channel so you can be teaching people on how to edit videos, like even if you don't know how to edit, understand? So I will give you a complete guide on how to do that. If you chat me on WhatsApp, I will give you a complete guide on how to create the YouTube channel and how to be posting your videos so you can be getting paid from YouTube. Understand? This is just for few people because I will not have time to accommodate everybody. So you just few people. If you are interested, you chat me on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. So guys, that's all you need to know about making your shoe work on its own. So see you in our next video.